Welcome to Why Not Stitches. I am Stella and I believe in the power of art as therapy. However, for it to truly become a way to relax and enjoy the present moment, it's essential to overcome the initial hurdles, like worrying about the final outcome, body stiffness, and self-judgment. This is where the beginner's guide to mastering 30 essential embroidery stitches comes in handy. Learning embroidery basics builds confidence and naturally shifts your focus from trying to get it perfect to enjoying the creative process itself. I've designed this course to make embroidery simple, approachable, and enjoyable, even if you've never threaded a needle before. With clear, step-by-step instructions, hands-on practice, and guiding videos, this course provides everything you need to get started and thrive in your embroidery journey from the very beginning. Here is exactly what you'll learn in this course. The basics of embroidery supplies and how to use them, recommended fabrics for the best embroidery results, understanding embroidery floss, how to separate the strands, and how to easily thread a needle, how to dress your hoop for optimal stitching, a budget-friendly method for transferring pattern design to fabric, step-by-step guidance for all 30 beginner stitches, how to start and secure the thread to the fabric without knots, how to finish the thread neatly on the back of your fabric, and how to back and finish your embroidery hoop for display. We'll be working with a specially designed sampler pattern that includes all 30 stitches featured in the course. I intentionally chose an abstract design with a specific goal in mind, to show you that even as a beginner, you can create a piece that looks absolutely stunning when completed, even if you doubt yourself. Go ahead, prove me wrong. This course is for you if you are a total beginner. It's for you if you are an intermediate embroiderer, but you are not that sure about your embroidery skills. It's for you if you are inspired to pick up embroidery after taking a long break. It's also for you if you are looking for a mindful way to release the stress of the day through a craft. And it's for you if you are a DIY enthusiast looking to pick up a new craft. This course is not for you if you are an advanced embroiderer and have mastery over a large variety of stitches. And it's not for you if you are looking to receive physical embroidery supplies. This course is digital and you have to purchase your own embroidery materials. Embroidery isn't just about creating something beautiful with your hands. It's also about the present moment, calming your mind, and nurturing your creative freedom. My vision is to inspire your passion for hand embroidery by offering it as a path to reduce stress, build focus, and explore boundless creativity. Are you ready to transform a simple needle and thread into stunning works of art? Join me and let's venture on this exciting, creative, and fulfilling journey together. Start now and discover how embroidery can bring clarity and joy into your life. Check out the link in the description below to get access to the pattern I'm using in this tutorial and learn not only about embroidery stitches, but also about the supplies you need, how to transfer the pattern on the fabric, and how to start and finish a thread. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. I love when you do that. Happy stitching!